You need to watch this if you forget vocab 5 minutes after learning it. What's something people don't know about memory? Visual cues beat repetition alone for lasting recall. Let me show you a simple routine to make words yours. Start with see, say, remember, a tiny habit that fits any routine. Step 1. See. Pick a word and put it where you'll look. Sticky note on your coffee mug. Sticky note on the mirror above your sink. Step 2. Say. Every time you see it, say the word out loud. Use it in a short sentence. Brew. I brew coffee every morning. Step 3. Remember. At night, picture the scene. Replay the sentence in your head for 10 seconds. Do this with 1 word a day and review 5 words on the weekend. Combine images with action. The mug, the commute, the snack. Your brain links meaning to motion. That's see, say, remember. See it, say it, remember it. Try it for a week and notice how those words stop being strangers. Ready to turn daily routines into a vocabulary machine? Start today.